Hello everyone, today I am going to tell about AngularJS Life Cycle. AngularJS Life Cycle has three parts. First is Bootstrap, second is Compilation, and third is Runtime. Let's see one by one. The Bootstrap Phase. The first phase of the AngularJS Life Cycle is the Bootstrap Phase, which occurs when the AngularJS JavaScript library is downloaded to the browser. AngularJS initializes its own necessary components and then initializes your module, which the ng-app directive points to. The module is loaded and any dependencies are injected into your module and made available to code within the module. The next is the compilation phase. The second phase of the AngularJS lifecycle is the HTML compilation stage. Initially, when a web page is loaded, a static form of the document object model is loaded in the browser. During the compilation phase, the static document object model is replaced with a dynamic document object model that represents the AngularJS view. The phase involves two parts. First is traversing the static document object model and second is collecting all the directives and then linking the directives to the appropriate JavaScript functionality in the AngularJS built-in library or custom directive code. The directives are combined with a scope to produce the dynamic or live view. The runtime data binding phase. The final phase of the AngularJS application is the runtime phase, which exists until the user reloads or navigates away from a web page. At the point, any changes in the scope are reflected in the view, and any changes in the view are directly updated in the scope, making the scope the single source of data for the view. The AngularJS behaves differently from traditional methods of binding data. The traditional methods combine a template with data received from the engine and then manipulate the document object model each time the data changes. AngularJS compiles the document object model only once and then links the compiled template as necessary, making it much more efficient than traditional methods. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.